Every meal or snack that I eat needs to meet a couple criteria. 1, it needs to be highly nutritious, and 2, it needs to taste great. Hi, Danna Demetre here with Lean Healthy Ageless and the co-author of the Eat, Live, Thrive diet. Today, I'm going to give you a quick snack or meal that I think will meet both those criteria. It's fast, it's nutritious, and it's delicious. This video is sponsored by our favorite fiber product of all time, Bellway fiber. You can take it in a simple organic fiber blend. You can have it with fiber and collagen if you want that extra beauty boost. Or my favorite, what is it? It's the Bellway Super Fiber plant-based protein. I love especially the chocolate, but you want to make sure if you're having it as a meal, it really actually rounds out all the macronutrients you need: protein, carbohydrate, and fat. So what I like to do when I'm making my meal-based protein shake is add a couple key ingredients. First, to make it sweet, yummy, delicious, and cold and creamy, I add a half of a frozen banana, a few ice cubes. Second, I'm going to add about a tablespoon of organic peanut butter. Makes it yummy, it adds a healthy fat. Third, I'm going to use a good quality almond milk. You want to get one without carrageenan. We really like this Calafia brand. Fourth, if you just want a little more flavor, maybe you want to just put a dash of vanilla. You don't have to, but that's an option. And if you are a chocolate kind of a girl, you might want to add just a little bit of extra organic cocoa powder. I think this chocolate shake is perfect just the way it is. But again, sometimes you just want that deep, dark, rich, even more chocolatey. You can do all those things. So I'm going to throw these ingredients together, mix them up in my magic bullet, and in just about 2 minutes, I'm going to have a delicious meal in the form of a shake. Okay, all my ingredients are in here. I'm just going to put it on my magic bullet and whip it up. I'm going to keep it really simple and drink it right out of the container. Oh my gosh, you almost feel guilty drinking this. 5 grams of fiber, 20 grams of protein. To learn more, click the link provided.